The workplace is where employers and employees spend the most time in their day doing their work. There are several types of furniture you use in your workspace or office. Studies have proved that the workspace and its environment help make employees more productive. The workplace is dedicated to the people who work for the company's benefit, so the workplace and environment should be designed to enhance the productivity of employees and the overall atmosphere. Most desk work activities are carried out on computers while being seated. The comfort of the seating arrangement is of paramount importance to the employee using it and affects his daily output. Among the different types of furniture you use in the workplace, office tables or CEO tables are among the major eye-catchers. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of office table or CEO table ideas for you to consider for your next office renovation work. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post wood-made furniture, decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also don't forget to like and share this video as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. There are some points you need to consider for your office renovation work. The crucial and most used thing in any workplace is furniture, so you should start with that. For the furniture, comfortable is the key. Add as comfortable furniture as possible. If the chairs and office desks are uncomfortable, employees will keep adjusting themselves throughout the day, which will waste their time and may make them physically tired. Your office table or CEO table should be flexible and movable as needed so their places can be changed from time to time. It will give a new look to the office without spending a penny. Experiment with your workspace with different kinds and shapes of modern office furniture. Open up your mind to think of creative ideas for unique shapes that can be more space-saving, interesting to look at, and exceptional. As mentioned above, office furniture is an important part of any business, not only for workers' comfort, but also for promoting professionalism. The way your workplace looks has direct impact on your customers' attitude. You may choose to have customized furniture that gives you complete control on the color, material, finish, and design of the product. Workplace productivity may be made or broken based on the quality of your office furniture. There are different types of materials used in making office tables. The most common ones are wood and its derivatives and metals. Each of these materials have their own advantages and disadvantages, which we will look into in another video. Ergonomics is another key feature which affects the comfort and productivity of your employees. Ergonomics is a science on its own and lets us determine how high a table should be in relation to the seating arrangement, how far the table should be from your chair, how high your computer monitor and keyboard should be, and so much more. Some office tables come with adjustable features which enable you to change the tabletop height. Another alternative is to use seats with adjustable seat height to meet a fixed table height. In either case, make sure that you are comfortably seated without affecting your posture, and also that most of the things you regularly use are within hand's reach. To create a work-friendly environment, you need to take insights from your employees. They are the ones who work in space, and they may have a better idea. Keep your long-term vision for your company in mind while creating the theme. Creating a theme will smooth out the whole process for you, and there will be less confusion while making decisions. Implementing a theme will eventually boost the whole look of your workplace. Well, there you have them. Our hand-picked office table or CEO table ideas for you to consider for your next office renovation work. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.